a house be a talisman?
What?
Can a house be a talisman?
No, what? No, why would it be a talisman?
Well, you have so many spells on this house, and it's usually meant for protection, so isn't it a talisman?
So a talisman is usually something that can be moved with you. My necklace, for example, is a prime example of a type of talisman. It has ritual meaning behind it, magical meaning behind it, and religious meaning behind me. So therefore, when I carry it with me, it's a talisman, and it's a protection talisman along with just the symbol of my religion. But the house couldn't be a talisman because the house can't move. I suppose if the house was on wheels, it would be considered possibly a talisman. But right now, since it's not, it's just like a magical place.
Talisman is something that you carry around.
Yeah.
Oh, so a talisman's basically like a cell phone where a like regular spell on a house would be more like a landline?
Yeah, in a way, yeah. I mean, I never thought about it that way, but totally, it could definitely work.